Yeah, I love you too, baby. Wow, you just called me Papi. I love it when you call me Papi. Call me Papi again. Ooh, Papi. Yeah, Papi. Same here. Same here. Same here. Same here. Okay, later now, later. Ah, John, my guy. Very wonderful guy.
Who is John?
You don't know John, my friend?
John, your friend calling you Papi.
Everybody, they call me Papi now. From small picking like this. Papi, 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 Papi. Now, Papi, everybody, they know me from my area.
So what's up with the same here, same here? You mean your friend John? You're talking to him on phone and you're telling him same here, same here. I don't understand.
I mean, I don't understand too. What you insinuate? Say they cheat or take anything?
You think you're wise, Abi? Okay, fine, let's do it this way. I'm now you, and I want you to be John, and I want you to ask me the same question John asked you. Let me say same here too, since you're wise.
Oh, wait, till they try to talk now, they say, you won't play me. Make me play John. Make I ask you the same question when John asked me for phone.
Yes.
Whether you go talk same here. Because if they doubt me, I go ask you now, no problem. The first thing when John talk is here, the roads here are too bad though.
Same here.
The second thing when John talk is say, dollar rate for this side where they don't hire you.
Same here.
The third thing when John tell me be say, NEPA no dey friendly for here, we know they get light though.
Same here.
Say, why you not doubting my love for you? Why you not thinking about faithful to you?
Babe,
You're not sorry, you are kissing me.
Babe, I'm sorry.
You are kissing me while you
That's my life.